FastMCP 3 introduces a server-level initialization and teardown mechanism through composable lifespans, enabling precise control over startup and shutdown sequences. This pattern ensures that setup and cleanup logic executes exactly once, independent of client connections, by leveraging Python's context manager protocol with asynchronous support. We are about to examine how a lifespan function, decorated with @lifespan, structures its setup and teardown phases using a try-finally block, while yielding a context dictionary that becomes accessible throughout the server's operation. The code will demonstrate how this lifespan is integrated into a FastMCP server instance, establishing the foundation for shared state management. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From FastMCP, server, lifespan import lifespan. @lifespan. Async def app lifespan server. Hash setup, runs once when server starts. Print starting up. Try. Yield started at 2024-0101. Finally, hash teardown, runs when server stops. Print shutting down. MCP equals FastMCP my server. Lifespan equals app lifespan. This code demonstrates FastMCP 3's lifespan pattern, which provides server-level initialization and cleanup hooks. The @lifespan decorator marks an async function that runs exactly once when the server starts and once when it stops, regardless of client connections. The pattern uses Python's context manager protocol with yield to separate setup and teardown phases, where the yielded dictionary becomes the lifespan context accessible to tools. The implementation shows two key aspects: the decorator-based approach and the try-finally structure. The decorator simplifies lifespan creation, while the try-finally ensures cleanup runs even if the server is canceled. This pattern is particularly useful for resource management, like database connections or configuration loading that should persist across all client sessions. The design choice to use composable lifespans via the operator allows modular server setup, where different components can contribute their own initialization logic. This composability is valuable in production environments where you might need to combine configuration loading, database setup, and other initialization steps while maintaining clean separation of concerns. Let's break it down. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. Imports the FastMCP class from the FastMCP module, which is the main class for creating FastMCP 3 servers. This import alone doesn't create any server instance or perform any action. It just makes the FastMCP class available for use in the current scope. From FastMCP, server, lifespan import lifespan. Imports the lifespan object from the FastMCP, server, lifespan module, which provides server-level setup and teardown functionality for FastMCP 3 applications. This enables composable lifespan management that runs once during server startup and shutdown. @lifespan. Async def app lifespan server. Defines an asynchronous lifespan handler named @lifespan that will execute during server startup and shutdown. The decorator @lifespan marks this function as a FastMCP 3 lifespan hook, which runs exactly once when the server starts and once when it stops, regardless of client connections. The function takes a server parameter, representing the server instance that will be passed by the framework during these lifecycle events. Hash setup, runs once when server starts. Print starting up. Prints the string, starting up, to standard output, indicating server initialization has begun. This is a simple status message executed once during the setup phase of the FastMCP 3 server lifecycle. Yield started at 2024-0101. Yields a dictionary containing a single key value pair where started at maps to the date string 2020-40101. This is a generator expression that produces this dictionary as its output, typically used in contexts where iteration or lazy evaluation is needed. The yielded value represents a timestamp indicating when some process or operation began.
Hash teardown runs when server stops. Print shutting down
Prints the string shutting down to the console during server teardown. This line serves as a simple status indicator that the server is in the process of shutting down, providing visible feedback during the cleanup phase of the FastMCP 3 lifespan.
MCP equals FastMCP my server. Lifespan equals app lifespan.
Creates a FastMCP instance named My Server with a lifespan configuration that runs server-level setup and teardown code exactly once during the application's lifetime. The string My Server serves as an identifier visible in MCP protocol handshakes, while the app lifespan parameter defines the startup and shutdown routines that execute when the server starts and stops. FastMCP3's lifespan pattern provides a clean way to handle server-level initialization and cleanup through composable, async-aware context managers. The @lifespan decorator transforms an async function into a lifespan hook that runs exactly once during server startup and shutdown, independent of client connections. The try finally structure ensures teardown logic executes reliably, even if the server is canceled, while the yielded dictionary establishes a shared context accessible throughout the server's operation. By integrating this lifespan into the FastMCP instance, you create a foundation for modular server setup, where different components can contribute their own initialization logic while maintaining clean separation of concerns. This pattern is particularly valuable for managing resources like database connections or configuration that should persist across all client sessions.
The lifespan yields its context like a silent promise. Yet the server wakes before the decorator has even blinked.